Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will tell you how you can check the saved Wi-Fi passwords on your mobile and how you can share them. So without wasting any time, let's head to the mobile screen. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. So first, I will go into the Wi-Fi settings. And from here, I will open the settings of the connected Wi-Fi. And here you will find the Share option. Clicking on this will make a QR code appear in front of us. And if you want to share the Wi-Fi, meaning without any manual settings or without knowing the password, then you just have to scan this QR code with the device you want to share the Wi-Fi with, and it will automatically connect to this Wi-Fi. And look here, beneath the QR code, you will also see the Wi-Fi password. But this option is available on very few mobiles, where the password is showing right below the QR code. So I will also tell you how to see the password from the QR code. So I will take a screenshot of this, and I will crop the QR code from it so that it can be decoded. So now I will go to the home screen and open a browser. And here I will search for QR code decoder online. From the search results, I will open the first website. Its link will also be in the description for you because it is easy to use. So now I will choose the upload image option from here and select the QR code from the photo gallery. And as soon as I select it, it will decode the QR code, and I will get the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Now, if I want, I can copy all the details or just the password. So I will just copy the password and save it in my Notes app so that it is saved if I need to use it in the future. So through these easy steps, you can check the password of any saved Wi-Fi, and if you need to share it, you can do that easily too. In my next video, I will tell you guys how you can install macOS on your non-Apple system and get it to work properly. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.